I have my ideas for our holiday 2020 collection. Please tell me it's not gingerbread again. No, spicier. Hot sauce? Too spicy. That would be silly. We're doing cinnamon bears. Cinnamon bears? That's not silly at all. Tell me more. Well, it'll be a bunch of red eyeshadows and there'll be this really cute cinnamon bear on the front. Adorable! People like food and people like bears. And it'll smell like cinnamon. Wait, I just thought of something. Will anyone want to put spicy cinnamon near their eyes? They'll be so distracted by the cute bear, I don't think they'll think that far. Fair enough. Any products besides the eyeshadow palette? Oh yes, we will have a cinnamon lip injection extreme lip plumper. People don't mind irritating their lips with the payoff of them being just slightly plumper for 60 to 90 seconds. Very true, very true. I do see a flaw in this plan. Really? Yes. Cinnamon bears don't have anything to do with winter holidays. They're more of a Valentine's Day thing. Do you think people will notice? Nah, I think they'll be distracted by the cute bear on the front. Speaking of pulling one over on our customers, will we have any low-quality Christmas-themed palettes this year? I think we should do 5. 2 as individuals and 3 as a set. Love that for us! What's the hook? More cute animals! Well, animals are better than people. Hashtag truth. What animals are you thinking? I thought we'd go woodland creatures, you know, like a deer and a fox and a raccoon and a bear and a swan. A swan? Since when is a swan a woodland creature? Maybe there's a pond in the woods? That's a stretch, even for us. Given that we sell the same eyeshadow colors just in different packaging every single year, I don't think anybody's gonna nitpick it. Well, swans are kind of Christmassy, but what about the other animals? Are we sure we want trash-ravaging, garden-eating animals on our packaging? I was thinking we could do a polar bear instead of a black or a brown bear, and then we could make them extra cute and less threatening by putting a cute little picture frame around their heads and dressing them up in sparkly jewelry. Do you think that'll work? It sure will look good to the hunting crowd, and we'll add in an extra bonus by making it smell like maple syrup. Well, that will give our US customers a feel of Canada with a positive olfactory association. You've got me sold. Anything else? How about the Better Than Sex mascara? Everyone loves that one. But how can we make it different? We've sold that mascara in various ways for 7 years. We could put it in glittery packaging. We did that already. Make it waterproof? We did that too. How about we sell them 5 at a time so they're forced to commit to the same mascara all year long whether they like it or not? Kind of like my marriage. I think that'll resonate with a lot of people. Let's do it. Hi, it's Jen from Jen Loves Reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Rant and George over at Screen Rant for the inspiration for this little video series over here. I'm gonna go ahead and link his channel as well as Screen Rant down below for you to check out his pitch meetings. If you did not see my last one on the Makeup by Mario collection, I will link that below as well. I hope you enjoyed this. These are so much fun to film. If you would like to see more of these, make sure you share them with your friends, share them on other social media so other people can find the joy as well. Were there any two-faced holiday jokes that I missed? Leave them down in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Mad love to you, and I will see you in a video very soon.